Hi, my name is Yusuke. In this video, I'm going to go through how to connect to the instance created by the other. It's a useful skill to know when you're working in team. And here's a brief overview of what I'm going to go through. First of all, you need to have a key pair of public key and private key. You can reuse the one you have previously created here. And then the other people need to write your public key into the authorized key file of their instance. And then you can SSH into the instance with the key. And here, you might need to add security group of the other computer into your instance because SSH can sometimes get blocked by firewall. And I'm going to use this diagram to go through the concept again. So in here, person A has his instance and key A, and person B has key B. And here, person B wants to connect to the instance created by person A using his key B. So here's what person A can do. Key B consists of public key and private key. So person A can add the public key of key B onto the instance he created. And now person B can connect to the instance using key B with SSH. And now let's move on to Nectar, and I'll show you how it's done on Nectar Cloud. I'm going to use an instance called training 1 here. And as you can see, the corresponding key pair is called training 2021. And what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to create a new key pair, and I'll use that key pair to log into this training A instance. Okay, so let's go to key pair and create a new one. I'm going to create a key named key B, and here make sure you use SSH key. Yep, now my private key is installed on my machine, and if you look going to key B, you have the public key on here. So this whole thing is a public key of key B. Now I need to go to my command line, and I need to add the key B into the training 1 instance. So I'm just going to SSH into it with the matching key. Download. Okay, so SSH 1, then to add. I need the IP of the instance. Now, yep, I'm inside the training 1 instances. See? Yep, now I'm gonna go find the authorized key. So the LA, so that lists all the directories in this directory I have. And I'm gonna have to go into this SSH one. So if I do CD is a command to move directory. SSH, the LA, yep, I have the authorized key. So I'm gonna have to write onto it. So there's a command to do it called nano, then authorized key. And now we're inside the authorized key. And as you can see here, there's already a key. I think this should be the one for training 2021. That's the matching. That's the corresponding key for the training 1 instance. So that was this key, and as you can see, A, B3, and ZA. Yep, they're matching. All right, now I need to add the key B onto this training A instance. So I have this public key. Let's copy and paste. So yep, I can write into it. So yep, so that's the key copied into the training on instances. Yep, it looks okay. Let's check the last video. Yep, it's generated by Nova and GVMY. Yep, they're matching. Okay. Now I'm going to log exit and save onto it. So I click yes, then file name authorized key, then I press enter. I'm going to log out and try to log into this instance using the key I created called key B. You can see now this connection is closed. Now I do ssh.i key B, I think. Yep, key B. And then at what was the so this is IP. I should be able to connect to the instance now. Yep. So I have this connection to the instance using the key I just created. So yeah, that was so that was all about what I have to go through in this video. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.